Hello and welcome to this video where we'll be challenging you to solve 5 mind-bending puzzles. These puzzles are designed to test your critical thinking, logic, and problem-solving skills. So, get ready to put your brain to the test and see if you can solve them all. Puzzle 1. Let's start with the first puzzle. You are given 9 coins, and one of them is fake, either lighter or heavier than the rest. You have a balance scale that can be used only twice. Can you determine which coin is fake and whether it is lighter or heavier than the others? This puzzle requires careful consideration of the possible combinations of coins you can weigh on the scale. You can start by dividing the coins into 3 groups of 3 and weighing 2 of the groups against each other. If they balance, then the fake coin must be in the 3rd group, and you can weigh 2 of those coins against each other to determine which is the fake one. If one group is lighter or heavier than the other, then you know the fake coin is in that group, and you can weigh 2 of the coins from that group against each other to determine which is the fake one and whether it is lighter or heavier. Puzzle 2. The second puzzle involves a group of people trying to cross a bridge at night. The bridge can only hold 2 people at a time, and they must use a flashlight to see where they are going. Some people can cross the bridge faster than others, and the group only has 1 flashlight. Can they all cross the bridge in 17 minutes? This puzzle requires careful timing and coordination among the group. The fastest 2 people can cross the bridge together, taking only the time it takes the slower person to cross. Then, one of the fast people returns with the flashlight, taking an additional 2 minutes. The next 2 fastest people can then cross together, with one of them returning with the flashlight in 2 minutes. This leaves only the 2 slowest people, who need to cross together, taking a total of 10 minutes. Therefore, the total time it takes for all of them to cross is 10 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 equals 17 minutes. Puzzle 3. The third puzzle involves a prisoner who is given a choice between 2 doors. One door leads to freedom, and the other leads to a room where they will be trapped forever. There are 2 guards guarding the doors, and one always tells the truth, while the other always lies. The prisoner is allowed to ask one question to one of the guards to determine which door leads to freedom. What should the prisoner ask? The best question to ask is, if I were to ask the other guard which door leads to freedom, what would they say? The honest guard will point to the door that leads to freedom, while the lying guard will also point to the door that leads to being trapped forever. Puzzle 4. The fourth puzzle involves a room with 3 light switches and 3 light bulbs, each corresponding to one of the switches. You are in a different room and cannot see the bulbs while you operate the switches. How can you determine which switch operates which bulb with only 1 trip to the room? The solution to this puzzle is to turn on the first switch for a few minutes, then turn it off and turn on the second switch. Then, go into the room and touch the bulbs. One of them will be warm, indicating that it was turned on by the first switch. The bulb that is often warm was turned on by the second switch. Puzzle 5. Our final puzzle is a classic riddle. You have 2 ropes, and each rope takes exactly 1 hour to burn completely. However, the ropes are not of the same thickness, so one rope burns faster than the other. How can you use these ropes to time exactly 45 minutes? The solution to this puzzle is to light both ends of the first rope and one end of the second rope at the same time. The first rope will burn in 30 minutes, and at that point, light the other end of the second rope. The second rope will then burn completely in an additional 15 minutes, for a total of 45 minutes. And there you have it, 5 mind-bending puzzles to challenge your brain. Did you manage to solve them all? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more brain-teasing content. Thanks for watching.